You can wonder about this, wonder about that, wonder about your grocery bill, wonder why you're fat, wonder about your money, wonder about your gain, but you never have to wonder about panties in the rain. If you want dry panties, put them out in the sun. Bake them in an oven, give them hot loving fun. One thing to remember that will always stay the same. Panties gonna be wet, laying in the rain. Well, you can wonder about religion, politics too. Wonder about the price of gas and cigarettes too. Wonder about a loaf of bread, wonder about John Wayne, but you never have to wonder about panties in the rain. Now if you want dry panties, put them out in the sun. Bake them in an oven, give them hot loving fun. One thing to remember that will always stay the same. Panties gonna be wet, laying in the rain. You can wonder about Carl Vinson, day of drinking beer. Wonder about a day of fun with women, sex and cheer. Wonder about just anything, and that makes me cry. So take your big girl panties, hold them high up in the sky. 'Cause if you want dry panties, put them out in the sun. Bake them in an oven, give them hot loving fun. One thing to remember that will always stay the same. Panties gonna be wet, laying in the rain. Oh yeah.